Today, I'm going to try planting a plant called Pyrus in an Italian pottery flower pot. These days, you could just plant a single species in a pot, but today I'm going to try planting this one called Pink Star as a ground cover low at the base. First, fill the pot with potting soil. I'm planning to make it look like a spacious yard here, so I can place little props like dolls and create an open, relaxed space. I'm going to move the plants toward the edge of the pot, so I'll build it up a bit like a hill. Pink Star. I'm not going to use all of this. Just about this much. That's all I'm planning to use. I'm going to position it slightly to the side. Now, I need to fill in the empty spots with more potting soil. This is our Steel Deco pot pit. It's not for decoration, it can be used as a repotting tool. If you press hard with your hands, it can compact the soil and cause drainage. So, I use this tool. I carefully press down like this, even on the small spots. To keep the potting soil from floating up, I use akadama to press it down. Pouring in. This way, the akadama has a slight pressing effect, so when you water it, the potting soil doesn't float up. I left this part here because there's some moss, and I wanted the moss to stand out, so I didn't put akadama on this side. Right now, this part is perfectly level, but when you water it, it will sink down. So if you gently press the edges with your hand, the water won't overflow when you water it. See, now there's a little step here. Just press the sides gently so that this step forms. There are some stones here. Stones like these. If you place them on top like this, it looks more natural. When we water, if we pour it directly onto the akadama, it can create dents or wash the soil away depending on the water pressure. So when you water, pour the water onto these stones. That way, the water will spread naturally and soak in here. These stones are really helpful for maintenance, and they also add a natural touch like this. If you look here, you can see new buds sprouting and lots of shoots like this. If you want to grow it more openly and make the top fuller, you just need to prevent the nutrients from being dispersed downward. How do you do that? You boldly remove the leaves like this. That way, it will look more open and refreshing, right? What do you think? I think it would be nice to put a small figurine or something like that here. I have a little bear figure, so I'll put the bear up here like this. How does it look now that it's completely finished and brought to a full and satisfactory completion? It has been meticulously completed and is now presented for your review.